video, I'm going to show you how to apply makeup like a pro. Let's now start with the foundation. I'll be using this Brillantes All Day Liquid Foundation in the shade Oriental. This is a full coverage foundation for a very affordable price. I got this for only 190 pesos in LCC here in the Philippines. Brillantes products are known for its great quality and for a very low price. The makeup brush that I'm using with this foundation is from Avon. This foundation brush is my favorite because it's thick and its bristles never wear off, even after so many times of washes. I already have this for almost 2 years now. After applying the foundation is the setting powder. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220, the natural beige. I like this pressed powder foundation because it gives more coverage and it's not heavy on the face. Its texture is so smooth and gives instant glow to my face. Other than that, they're always on sale and they're also very affordable. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell button to notify you of my new uploaded videos. After the setting powder is the final powder. This step is optional. I always use this eyeshadow final powder in the shade Creamy Glow because I have very oily skin. This helps a lot in controlling the oil on my face. I got this for only 150 pesos at Watson's and I really love this. After that is the contouring of my nose. Contouring is very important in makeup application because it gives dimension to our face. The product that I'm using is the Detail Makeover's Contour and Blush Palette 4-in-1. It contains products for contour, bronze, highlight, and blush. Sometimes I'm also using them as my eyeshadow because the colors are so cool and so warm and very beautiful. I'm also applying this highlight to the tip of my nose to give a pointy illusion. Next is for the eyebrows because Kilay is life. One of my favorite eyebrow products is this Avon Smart Perfect Brow Cream Gel Pot in the shade Soft Brown. This contains 4 grams of product and it's very easy to use with an angled brush. The spoolie and angled brush that I'm using is from Brillantes. I am now using this Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer to my eyelids as my eyeshadow primer. This is an essential step before applying your eyeshadows because it holds your eyeshadow in place throughout the day. I am now using this EB Collection Multitask Palette for my eyeshadows. This palette is very nice because it's very pigmented and very affordable. I already have a review about this product. I'll post the link on the description box below. This palette can be used as eyeshadow, highlight, blush, and contour. So you better check it out. My all-time favorite liquid eyeliner is the Maybelline's Hyper Sharp Liner. You can create a precise line with this very nice pointy tip. I've tried lots of liquid eyeliners and this is the best. In curling my eyelashes, my favorite eyelash curler is from Basic Hair. I got this from Watson's and it's very affordable. I'm using this for 2 years already. For the mascara, I'll be using this Avon True 5-in-1 Lash Genius Mascara in Black as Black. This is one of my favorite mascaras because its quality is very nice and also very affordable. I have a review about this product and I'll post the link on the description box below. You better check it out as well. This time, I'm applying on my lower lash line the dark brown eyeshadow left on the brush that I used a while ago. For the blush, I'm now using the blush coming from the Detail Makeover Contour and Blush Palette, and for the brush, I'll be using the Blush and Contour brush coming from Avon. Blushes from this palette are very nice and looks very natural on the skin. They're not too striking to the eyes. It's like they're your cheeks but better. Buying this palette is very worth it. The same with the contour and blush brush that I have. It's very nice. The quality is so good. I love Avon. Using the same contour and blush palette from Detail Makeover, I'll be contouring the hollow of my cheeks and jawline. As I've said earlier, contouring is very important in applying makeup because it gives dimension to the face. Looking for a nude matte lipstick? Avon Gotcha. One of my all-time favorite nude lipstick is from Avon. It's one of the nudes collection. Each shade is Marvelous Mocha. I got this for only 199 pesos because it's on sale. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button to notify you of my new uploaded videos. See you again next time!